This is Librarian Maggie back with another fun craft for you. Today we are going to make a no-sew pillow. So what you're going to need is some fabric. I recommend 2 different colors or patterns, but if you want both sides to be the same, that's fine too, just as long as you have 2 pieces. And the size I am making is about 11 by 11. So you can see there. And my fabric is already cut, both pieces, to the same size. I have white felt here and this pretty bandana pattern. And then you're going to need some polyfill. You definitely will not need a whole bag, but I have yet to find this for purchase any smaller. And of course you'll need a scissor. And if you want to make it really easy, a ruler and pencil will definitely be helpful as well. So what you're going to do is measure out, so with an 11 by 11 piece, you can make a nice 8 by 8 pillow. If you measure 1.5 inches in on each side, and that is how long you will make your cuts. Is we're gonna just make cuts all along the edge of our fabric. If you want to make them a little shorter, that's fine too. But for an 11 by 11 piece, I do not recommend cutting in further than that. So I'm just gonna make a mark at 1.5. You can use a pencil, you can use maybe chalk if you have it, something that's not going to bleed on your fabric. You can also freehand it too. It doesn't need to be exact like I'm making it now, but just it does make it a little bit easier. Just make sure you mark it at the same length on all sides. That way it's even. And part of your pillow is going to be, one side is going to be towards the inside, so you shouldn't be able to see any of these marks that you're making, but definitely do not use a marker. Okay, so there's one done. It's a little bit hard to see on camera, but you can kind of see my pencil lines there. And now I'm going to do the same thing to my other piece of fabric. You can see my marks a little bit better on here. So all we're gonna do is we are going to cut into our fabric, just cut strips. On the corner, if you want to cut on an angle, you can do that. And you can cut them as wide or as narrow as you want. They don't have to be equal. So I'm just going to show you. The corner, of course, will be different, but so my strip here is just about an inch wide that I just cut. So you can make them an inch wide, you can make them a little bit narrower than that, whatever you feel like. And you're just going to continue cutting all the way around. Can cut your corner out. That's also another way to do it. Okay, so when you're all done, you should have a piece that's cut all the way around the edges. And you're gonna do this to your other one as well. Same exact thing. All right, so now you should have your 2 pieces of fabric with your notches. And all you're gonna do is tie them together. And just do overhand knots around your whole, not your whole, 3 sides of your pillow. Just little overhand knots, just like so. And you're gonna go around 3 sides, and then we're gonna stop. Okay, so now you should be almost all the way around your pillow. I left about 6 or 7 open that I have not tied together yet. And you're just going to stuff your pillow. You can definitely make a larger pillow if you want. The larger it is, easier it is to work with, of course. I'm just doing this little mini one for my niece. And you can do these any shape you want too. You can do a circle, a square. I've seen hearts are really, really cute. And definitely massage it a little bit as you go to make sure you've got all areas nice and stuffed. Make sure you can still tie off your remaining pieces. Just be careful that you don't miss one. Definitely easy to get lost and stuff in here. Decorative throw pillows, and if you want you can also later add things to it. If you want to jazz it up, you can do something on this side or on your really plain side. Yeah, they're just really cute. So I hope you have enjoyed this craft, and if you make one, definitely send us a picture, let us know how it came out. Try out a different shape. You can also make blankets like this, minus the stuffing. You just use 2 pieces and tie them together, and it comes out really cute. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in our next video.